So guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm with my friend. He's gone to fuel his bike over there, and yeah, just waiting for him. Just going to the Bajaj service center. My friend has a Domina 400, so he wants to get that free vibration kit. I mean the vibration reduction kit. He is the guy who is getting the vibration kit done for his bike. So yeah, we'll go to the Bajaj service center and catch you guys. So guys, reached the service center, just waiting for the guy to come and take the bike for installation of this kit. So guys, as usual, the mechanics guys weren't available. So he was like, get the bike tomorrow, and yeah, we are planning to get the bike after college and get it day after tomorrow. So yeah, see his worried face. Okay, let's get it done tomorrow. So yeah guys, after leaving the Bajaj service center, we decided to test ride the Continental twins, I mean the 650 twins, as the showroom, Royal Enfield showroom was on our way home. So that's my friend on the Interceptor. We both decided to take the test rides of these bikes, and they were available for test rides. And like an idiot, I don't know how the mic of my camera got turned off. The whole audio of the video got it didn't record any audio, and it was a crazy video. The exhaust note, the conversation we had, it was pretty interesting, but everything went in vain. So yeah, I'll just trim the video and play some music. So here it goes. So yeah guys, we are done with the test rides of GT and Continental GT 650 and the Interceptor 650 in the showroom CVS. I guess it's CVS Motors here near Whitefield. It was a good experience test riding those bikes. What do you say?
It's an amazing bike, bro.
Yeah.
You can go for it.
Yeah, actually. So guys, if you want to test ride the bike, please come over to the Royal Enfield near Whitefield. They're pretty good at giving it, and the service was really good. They asked us to take it for ourselves. It was like bikes in our hands. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye.